Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever time of day it is and whatever part of the world you're at right now. Welcome back. And today we're going to take a look at another quadratic question, a quadratic review question. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at number 7. Number 7 reads, which quadratic equation has a vertex located at 4, negative 3? All right. Most of the time, whenever they ask you a question involving an equation, whether it's linear, quadratic, some type of function, and they're asking you about a point associated with that function, one of the things that you want to do is label your ordered pair with x and y, and then we can simply do an input-output. We will plug in 4 for x and see if we get negative 3 for our answer for any one of these equations here. So when we're doing number 7, for example, if I take a look at f is y equals 4x squared plus 3. And we know that x is positive 4, so I'm going to substitute positive 4 for x. And now we're going to evaluate to see if we get negative 3 as an answer. So you do 4 squared for first. That's going to be 4 times 16 plus 3. 4 times 16 is 64. And 64 plus 3 is not negative 3. So, because this is not equal to negative 3, that means that answer choice F is not an answer. So now, we'll try the next one. Now with G, this is already in vertex form. So we can extract the vertex from this equation. So therefore, if it's in vertex form, remember, in vertex form, this is H and K, and they represent the vertex. However, H, it should originally be X minus H, and then squaring it plus K. But my whole thing is, the main thing with the parentheses is that it should be X minus H. So on the inside of this parentheses is X plus H, or X plus 4, which means that 4 is really a negative. So when we look at what the vertex of this equation is, it's really negative 4, negative 3 for G. But we need it to be, which this is not equal to positive 4, negative 3. So once again, G is not an answer. Okay. Now, as we move on to letter H, we can go ahead and work this one out. So we have y equals x squared minus 8x plus 13. And we're going to substitute 4 for x. So 4 here, that's squared, minus 8 times 4 plus 13. Now we go ahead and use order operations to evaluate. 4 squared is 16, minus 8 times 4, which is 32. And then we're going to add 13. 16 minus 32 is negative 16. And negative 16 plus 13 is equal to negative 3. So, which that is equal to negative 3. So this means that H is going to be our answer here. And just to make sure that J is not an answer, we'll do the work for that and see what we come up with. So you can see that when we plug in 4 for J, we're not going to have negative 3 as an answer. So watch, we have y equals 4 squared plus 8 times 4 minus 3. Y equals 16 plus 32 minus 3. Y equals 48 minus 3. Y equals 45, which is not equal to negative 3. So once again, J would not be an answer. And that's how you work through question number 7. Have a great day and see you back later.